Hi everyone, so for today's tutorial I'm going to be using expression hair, color 30 and color 2. So I'm just going to be preparing my hair right now, and I already cut my hair in a circle. You could also cut it in squares if you'd like. That also counts as box braids. So now I'm going to begin to braid. I think it's pretty much self-explanatory, so please keep watching. I also greased my hair, but I forgot to. I probably clipped that one out, but I used Shine and Jam to grease my hair before I started braiding. You're going to see in the next hair that I'm going to be doing. So cut your hair in a circle and then add your grease and begin to braid. In order for me to braid nicely, I like to grab all the hair first before I start braiding. While I'm braiding, I mean. Grab all the hair and then you begin to braid. I don't know if that makes sense. Expression because it shines really nicely when you're braiding, and it hardly tangles except you buy maybe one that is not good, but aside that it doesn't really tangle, so that's why I like expression hair. Just keep watching. I'm pretty much doing the same thing that I did all over, so just keep watching and enjoy the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. Also, don't forget to tell me what videos you like to see on my channel, just so I can have something to film for you guys and something you guys would like as well. A mixture of color around both sides of her hair in front, so I'm going to be using the color 30 and the color 2 mixed together in front. The secret to long-lasting box braids is to make sure that while you're braiding, you braid neatly, just so your braids can last longer. And it takes time, you know. Practice makes perfect. The more you braid, the better you get at making it neat. when you're done braiding, the next thing you should do is to trim your hair. It is very essential to trim your hair just so you can get rid of any flyaways you have left on your braids. There goes my favorite part. I love applying the mousse because it gives this very smooth look to the braids that I really like. And yeah, and make sure that you dip your hair in hot water. I skipped that part for some reason, but I'm sorry about that. You have to dip the hair in hot water before you use the mousse. Some people use it after, but it just depends, however it works for you. So here's the finished look, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video if it was helpful to you. Thank you.